Hey y'all, it's BRIJOURNAL. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, we are going to be doing an apartment clean with me for the year 2023. If y'all know and are subscribed, you know that I've been in a funk. I have not been feeling my best, and it is showing in my apartment. Do y'all see this microwave in the sink? Disgusting. I'm very embarrassed. And tell me why. The same day that my place was the worst it's ever been, maintenance showed up at my door, and I was just so embarrassed. I wanted to hide. I wish I wasn't there. But we're going to clean it today, and I'll show you everything that I use and how I keep a clean house, because a clean space is a happy space. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you would like to, subscribe so you can keep watching more of my videos, and let's just get into it. So first off, I needed to wash my towels, so we are going to be throwing everything in my washing machine. Love a good washer and dryer. As you see, that is a mess, so today was the day I decided to clean it. So we're just going in and just cleaning everything that we see that is not up to par. We're getting the job done. I love my big island, but sometimes if I let it, I can just stuff everything on there. So as you see, I had the hookah from there last night. I have my Bible from Bible study every night, my purse, my iPad, just too much stuff. So we are emptying this off. I like a clean big island. Take the flowers off, and we are going to be cleaning it with microban. This is my favorite cleaning product. So I just use this on my countertops, and then I'm going to be washing the dishes in my sink. I throw them in the dishwasher, and I'm using the Dawn dish soap. Dawn is by far the best, so I'm just using that on everything that I have that needed to be hand washed. So I did the cup trick, and that's just when you put water in the microwave so that it can loosen up all that gunk that's in there. This is disgusting. I'm very embarrassed, but let me know if you have a matching microwave like this. Hopefully I gave you a tip to where you can have it to easily clean out your microwave just by letting it sit for a little bit in that steam. So I'm going to be wiping off that microban that we spray on my countertops. I'm honestly being a little lazy by not emptying my counter. Let me know if you guys are the type to move around stuff or if you're going to take everything off. It just depends on my mood. I was feeling a little lazy. I just knew I needed to clean my space, but that's okay because we got the job done, so that's the most important thing. I'm using Windex a lot in this video, so I'm just using it to spray my appliances. I usually would use a stainless steel cleaner, but Windex does the job, so we're being resourceful. We're getting the job done, girl. So yeah, I'm liking the look of this. I also put it on my dishwasher. I would have never thought to use Windex, but it honestly works, so I really cannot complain. I also spray Windex on my coffee table. I love my coffee table. You are able to get it on Amazon. It's going to be in my Amazon storefront under living room. If you see that little nick, I nicked it by accident. Well, I didn't nick it. My machine vacuum cleaner knocked my mirror off the wall and it hit my table, so yeah. Next, I'm cleaning up my sofa. I love this device that I got from Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront as well under living room. It's basically just a lint thing. It takes all the lint off of my couch and even my Bousel chair. So this just gets rid of all that lint, all that hair, because having a clean couch, it shows everything. And it was so dirty that I needed to wash it, so I'm taking off the covers. Luckily, this is a removable cover couch, because if it wasn't, I don't know what I would do with Zane and just me eating off of it sometimes. I have to clean it, but I'm kind of sick of this couch. I really want to buy a new one, but I'm just going to wait until I get my next place. But for now, we're just going to take care of our things, and I'm going to wash it in the washing machine. This is what I use to get rid of the stains. It is a staple product. If you don't have it, then you definitely need to get it. The powder version is just way better. It just evenly distributes over everything without messing it up. So I just throw that in the washing machine under warm water and I'm good. And after doing all of that lint removing, I have all the stuff on the floor, so I need to clean that up. And the other thing I don't like about this couch, even though it's feather, it's really soft, the feathers just come out all the time and it's really annoying. So I'm just trying to deal with that. So I have to pick up feathers a lot. So I'm just gonna put them in a pile, and I'm going to sweep my whole entire apartment because there are a lot of crumbs and stuff. I'm using my vacuum cleaner because vacuum cleaning over the dustpan is just so much easier. So if you haven't tried it, then try it out. But like I said, I'm just gonna be sweeping my whole apartment and then vacuuming it up. I have been seeing ants in my apartment. I don't know what's going on. I guess because it's summertime, it's hot outside. bugs want to come in, but I'm not for it. I live on a high floor. If I wanted to live on the first floor, then I would have bugs, but I don't. So I don't know what's up with that. But maintenance is coming, so that's apartment life for you. I'm going to be vacuuming my whole apartment, my carpet area, as well as, you know, the stuff I picked up. This is the best vacuum cleaner by far. If you do not have it or need a vacuum cleaner, get this because it is very good. It's rechargeable and the battery lasts for about 5 uses. And then I'm going to go in with this new product. This is a steam mop, but it also transforms into like a steamer for your clothes, a steamer for the floor, a steamer to get in cracks, a steamer squeegee. It's just amazing. So I love this thing, and you're also able to use tap water, so I'll show you all the features of that later. Next, I'm going to be cleaning off my bedroom. I'm just cleaning my nightstands off. It gets a little dusty in my place, so I'm just dusting everything off and getting it all nice and clean. This mirror is horrible. Every time I clean it, it never looks clear, and then I was struggling because it knocked off the wall and I was just fighting for my life trying to get this thing back on here. Now I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom. It's a little nasty in here because I got ready for the rooftop that I went to. So if y'all haven't watched that vlog, make sure you watch it. And then I'm going to be refilling my container that has my face cleanser in here. It is the Equate face cleanser, and it's the only one that doesn't make my face break out. So I love it. I'm using that microban on my countertops in the bathroom as well because it's the best. I've been using it for years. If you have not seen my other apartment clean with me's, I've been using it for years and years. And the one thing I really like about it is that it kills germs in 24 hours. So you don't have to worry about the whole day. It's killing the germs for you. So we love her. I'm using the Windex on my mirror in my bathroom as well as this container. I set that oil Pretty Little Thing spray and it messed up that drawer. It also messed up my TV stand in my bedroom if you saw that. So boo. I'm going to be cleaning my toilet. I wasn't trying to get too close, but just know I love that toilet cleanser. It's just so easy to work with. I'm using my antibacterial wipes to clean my toilet. This toilet gets so dusty. It's so annoying. So I'm just trying not to do too much, but still clean it. I think it's because of my black towels, but let me know if you have a dusty toilet, because ew. We're going to be steaming this up. Do you see that nasty grime? Yeah, look at what this does. Do you see that? Look at it go. Look. That is amazing. I love this thing. The fact it can go from like 5 different things. Love her. So it's in my Amazon storefront as well. I know y'all sick of me with my Amazon storefront, but Amazon is clutch. It's under bathroom, I believe. Do you see what it's doing? I love her. She's amazing. So if you don't have one of these or need one, check it out before or after. Yeah, it's no denying it. Now we're going to be cleaning my tub, my shower to be exact. This is my go-to bathroom cleanser. I spray it on the mirrors, the glass. I spray it on the floor. I spray it everywhere. And it just gets rid of everything. It does the job for me. It's the scrub bubbles with the citrus scents, because a citrus house is a clean house. I don't care what you say. This is the first time I'm doing this. I'm using a mop bucket and I'm using the Mr. Clean to clean my tub. I'm going to be using a brush to get in there. I don't know why I never thought of this before, but I saw somebody on TikTok do this and I was like, oh, that's really smart. So I'm definitely going to keep doing this because it was a struggle trying to clean this because it's not a tub. So the water doesn't sit for you to get into the nooks and crannies with water. So I'm able to get this thing clean. I kind of felt like Cinderella though, so yeah, I wasn't really feeling that, but I had a lot of fun. For some reason, this was fun. I felt like a princess. So I am going to do this again. I wish I would have made a TikTok of it, but who knows. But this is it clean. It just looks so nice. I just love a clean shower. Let me know if you know how to keep the glass part clean because I'm still working on that. The covers were clean, so we're just putting everything back. And I have a clean apartment, you guys, finally. I just love my space, so let me know if you guys want to see an updated apartment tour with all the links and everything. I'm going to have a new camera, so go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!